Hello beauties, it's Naturally Faith here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I achieve this high bun look. Really easy, really quick hairstyle. This is my go-to hairstyle for throughout the week. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look here, just keep on watching. So I always try to do my high bun styles after a 2 to 3 day old wash and go. This is the point where my hair has the most volume and just enough curl definition to achieve that perfect bun look. I like to wet my hair with some water, but only on the parts that I'm eventually going to brush. I use this medium bristle brush to smooth my hair. Honestly y'all, I feel like the type of brush you use can make or break the style. This is my favorite because it smooths any curly bumps I have and doesn't mess with my fragile edges. So next I just grab my scrunchie to pull my hair up and out of the way before adding some gel. Of course I have to go for my Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel, the holy grail to keeping my hair snatched. So after applying the gel all around, I grab my brush again to smooth that area some more. If I need to, I put more gel on those spots that are still frizzy to help keep my hair nice and sleek. I then remove my scrunchie and brush over that area a little more. Y'all, my brush was not having it here. Comment down below if you've ever gotten attacked by your brush before. Alright, so now it's time for me to actually put my hair up in the bun. I still end up using my silk scrunchie because it doesn't pull out my hair like an elastic can do sometimes. I didn't show you guys here, but I usually grab a bobby pin to hold those hairs in place. For my edges, I like to keep them pretty simple for my daily activities, but basically I start at my widow's peak and work my way from there. So I'm just brushing my hairs down, holding them with my middle finger, and then doing an upward swoop motion. I like using the Eco Styler gel on my edges as compared to edge control because it seems to do a better job at holding my edges in place. Using this BB Foam moisturizing lotion, I pump and pat it all around my head. I use this foam for some extra shine and to hold everything in place. Then I cover that area with my silk scarf and leave it there for about 5 to 10 minutes. And just like that is how you guys can get this simple, sleek, high bun using only 2 products. if you're watching this and haven't already, thumbs up this video if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know what videos you want to see from me next in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time.